Hey Cashers, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. Hey, I just got an awesome package that I've been looking forward to. You don't want to miss the unboxing of this. So I've been waiting for this package for quite some time now. Most of you have heard about Bounce and some of those really awesome caches that he's got over on the West Coast. Well, Bounce and I have been talking, worked on another cache that you've seen before, but he wanted to send me one of his. So we talked about it, and it just came in the mail. So I'm gonna open this up, and I want you to see it as I see it. So I'm gonna get it open. Alright, so there's some of the packaging, more packaging. Okay, there's the box, nothing else in there. Okay. Alright, so there is a small Pelican case, Mike. Alright, let's open it up. More packaging. Okay. Let's see what we got. So there's the top of it. It's called Scanning Around. So that's really cool. Bounce's logo, my logo, gives us directions of what to do. So RFID cards. There's a travel bug here. Wow, that is cool. So once I put the batteries in, turn this on, I will be able to discover the trackable code in here by using these RFID cards. I'm supposed to give them a call here in a little bit to make sure I get everything right. Thanks, Bounce. Now, I'm going to be taking these to an event very soon, GeoWoodstock, and I'm going to get the reaction of different people that are at GeoWoodstock of this awesome Bounce trackable discover smart box. It will be so much fun. I cannot wait to see people trying to get into it and discovering what they are finding. All right, let's go to GeoWoodstock.
To the left. Hold you. So now we know number 1, number 2. So we're starting. Start for number 3. Nope. I had an accident.
I know I saw that. I saw it on
Yeah, you did. You got a 51 too.
You're at. No.
I have 3 boys that are a little bit younger than you, and they're in a lot of my videos.
Of course, it's going to be the last one, right?
I did it too, and it was the last one every time.
Y'all get a ticket? Okay.
And keep my
Let's get
It's gonna take a long time.
loaded down with all kinds of stuff.
Darn it. No pressure. No pressure.
What is what up there?
And that's how it's done.
That's how it's done.
It was.
Let me do it. Woo! There it goes again. This is awesome. I'd heard about these before, but I'd never seen one, and I'm excited to get to do it for the first time. Thanks for sharing.
It was such an incredible time out at GeoWoodstock and seeing so many of you trying to get into this smart box. And what I thought was the coolest thing was that you used teamwork. Not many people were doing it on their own, but they were using teamwork to get into the smart box. Bounce, your smart box was a big hit. We had it at different events, and a lot of people tried it and had a lot of fun with it. If this is the first time that you've watched Behind the Cache, click that subscribe button right over here. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below, have you ever done a smart box? Did you see me at GeoWoodstock and did you attempt a smart box? If so, Let me know about it and tell me what you thought of the smart box. All right, everyone. I will see you next time right here on Behind the Cache.